Believe it or not, the rate of progress and change and the amount of technological developments came up in the last 2 years outclassed that of the whole 20th century in terms of both quality and quantity. Hence, change and innovation have become an inevitable element that organizations have to acknowledge, and instead of resisting to this severe wind of change, they began gaining advantage out of it. Industries that we would have expected to stay out of turbulent innovation zone are now totally integrating with new innovations and adopting digital transformation. For instance, retailing magnate of 21st century, Amazon, has lately set up a breakthrough system and that takes retailing to a whole new level. Convenience stores called Amazon Go provide a cashierless retailing service and do not render its customers to communicate with even a single person. Amazon Wallet account that customers scan at the front let them in and out. Cameras and sensors keep track of what customers take off shelves, what they put in their bags to buy, or what they put back on shelves. Learning machines, assisted by artificial intelligence technologies, monitor and analyze customers' actions and add drop the monetary value of items to his or her Amazon account. Transactions are completed when customer leaves the store and payment is received automatically by Amazon without making customers wait for line or cashier. In the Amazon Go, we can clearly see the organizational innovation. The company did not only create a new era in the market, it also created the new behavior of shopping, and it is considered as an innovator. The organization clearly understood the need and generated a successful idea that will lead to an innovation. In our previous research, it has been revealed that if organizations are creative enough to expand capabilities and explore new ideas, they can attract more interest on their radical inventions, and Amazon Go turns head to their new product. Successful new product sources are mostly the understanding of the needs of customers. Amazon Go catches the need of saving time and frustration of while you're waiting in the line. They're using the technology and outside advice effectively. These patterns used adequately, it has managed to build a successful new product. Besides implementation of cutting-edge technology and new concepts such as artificial intelligence and learning machines, Amazon Go also carries out the open service innovation model, where its learning machines are constantly exposed to exterior sources of knowledge and track of product records. This sensational technology innovated by Amazon, on the other hand, comes up with concerns about organizational structure, since it eliminates the need for deployment of human capital in a store. New structure model in this case becomes the completely horizontal structure of machines with zero hierarchy.
Let's talk about the motivation of the Amazon. Their motivation is obviously on high levels because we can easily observe how fast they grow and increase the value of their shares by making changes on their structure simultaneously. One of the reasons behind this growth is their openness to change and also motivation to adapt innovations. As an example of this adaptation, Amazon has launched their new project, Amazon Go, and successfully started to maintain its functions. According to statistics, non-corporate firms are more comfortable with the changes and developments. But there are some firms we all know that have the courage and creativity to attract their interest of their customers on their radical inventions. Guess which? Amazon, of course. They started the project of Amazon Go in 2016 and have 7 stores on Seattle, Chicago, and San Francisco, which are the beginnings of a new era. We can clearly see that they had the courage to make some radical changes in the market, non-cashier payment system, which making incremental changes on their organizations. Amazon's motivation is doing some changes on production and services to increase their market share with the new ideas. They started with doing changes in the market and in their own organization by finding an idea of Amazon Go. They found this idea because the market needed the new product and the organization needed to make some changes to meet this demand of new product in the market. Then they successfully completed the adoption to change, implementation of them, and finding resources to create and implement the idea. And to complete the full cycle of this change, they made some changes on the technology which makes Amazon Go able to work efficiently. They changed their strategy to promote Amazon Go more effectively, which also may require the changes in the culture approaches as well.